Hey everyone, Marielou here, and my mission is to encourage and empower you to create digital content. In this video, I'm going to give you some creative tips for taking a photo of yourself, whether that's on your phone or your camera or whatever. It's going to be great. If you're watching this video and you haven't yet seen the technical tips for taking a photo of yourself, make sure you go watch that video first and then come back and meet us here. I'll put a link in the bio, in the description, in the bottom. Just go watch it. Go watch it and then come back. The first thing I want you to look for is lighting. You can purchase lighting, or you may have it already, but if you don't, find a window. Make sure you get near a window and make sure the light from the window can light you so you can be so beautiful and we can see all of your gloriousness because you're so cute. The next thing I want you to consider is your framing. Depending on where you plan on putting this photo, what the subject is, what your composition is of the items in the photo, you may want it to be 5x4, which is the best size for Instagram. Or if there's a beautiful landscape and you just want to capture the landscape and yourself, like when I went to the Grand Canyon, I wanted a photo of me and the Grand Canyon, then maybe it needs to be landscape. But consider your framing, considering where you're going to use this, what's the subject, and where you're going to show it, where you're going to show it to people. The next thing to consider is your setting. Look at everything that is in the frame that is not you. Is the background clean? Is there anything that's distracting? Is there trash? Is there a mess? Clean it up, get it off frame. You don't have to put all your stuff away, just like get it off frame. I don't care what you do after that, that's up to you. Consider what kind of story you're trying to tell with this photo, then grab the appropriate accessories or props. The next thing I want you to think about is your wardrobe. Does it go well with the set? Does it not? Do you need to change shirts? Do you need to wear a different kind of pants? Can you see your feet without any shoes on it? Can we see your pajama pants? Then maybe put on black yoga pants and you can still be comfy. It's totally fine. That's what I do. But if we are seeing your entire body in the photo, then do consider your outfit head to toe. If it can be seen by the camera, it'll be seen obviously by the people who look at the photo on Instagram. Now that you've considered all of those creative elements, you can sit in your frame, you can use your remote shutter, you can use your Apple Watch, you can use your Whistle app, whatever it is that you're using to take a photo of yourself and be fabulous. And once you take your fabulous photo and you post it on Instagram, make sure you tag me at Marielou Mandel. I hope you guys found that helpful. If you did, please let me know in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe. And until the next one, I am sending you all the confidence and creative energy that you need to achieve your dreams. Please go out there and get them. Let me know what you're up to. I cannot wait to see your creativity. Bye!